Yo, what's up guys? This is the Huan Ying model for Zaku Gunner, or the Gunner Zaku from Lunamaria in Gundam Seed Destiny. So this is the 1/100 scale copy of Huan Ying, and so we got the same box style from the previous Huan Ying model kit that I have. So let's open the box here and let's see what's inside. So there we go, we got this brown box, and I got the instruction manual, so it has a different label for the instruction. And there we got to see we got no parts list included in this kit, but it's straightforward to the assembling process, which is for me very easy since I already finished the other Zaku models from Huan Ying, which is this one, which I did the review already. So they're almost the same model because of the appearance, except for the color. Okay, so it's very easy, and the only difference is the wizard pack, which is the Gunner wizard pack. So there we got the water slide decals placement. So let's check the packs here. It's all the same with the previous kits that I had. Okay, so there, I got used to this kit and almost fed up with the design of this Zaku, but I just like to collect the Gundam team from the team of Astray, Lunamaria, and this guy here. So Lunamaria. Okay, let's build this kit once and for all. And so welcome back to the finished product of the Gunner Zaku Wizard from Gundam Seed Destiny, and this is mobile suit by or of Lunamaria Hawk. So there we go, we've got this kind of pinkish red Zaku here, and this has a deep resemblance to me from Char's Zaku that I got last year. And there we go, this is the Char Zaku, the red comet one. So they're almost the same height, but what's the difference with the Char Zaku is it has a bigger head compared with the Lunamaria Hawk's Gunner Zaku. So I much prefer the Xeon style of Zaku compared with the Seed Zaku versions, because Xeon Zaku here for me looks more agile and looks more leaner compared with the Seed version, but we're not reviewing this one, so let's go with the Zaku here by Lunamaria Hawk. So it's the same with the Slash Zaku that I reviewed recently, so that the blue version from Isaac Joel or Isaac Joel. The only difference is, of course, the accessories on the backpack. Since Zaku here does have this one shield and this one spiky armor here, the shoulder armor. So the slash Zaku doesn't have this. Instead, it has this double shoulder armor with shield, but this one it doesn't have. But has what's available with this kit is the gunner wizard gun here, which is connected at the back. Also, we got the ammo drum there, and I think this one the energy drum, and we got this kind of rifle here or cannon. So the mechanism here is you need to put this thing down like that and extend the barrel, this barrel here like that, and the support here at the back like that. And there we go. Let's further move this forward. So just be careful because this is a bit brittle and loose, so I did some modifications for this gun here, or like the connector. So there we go, it can rotate like that. And so need to remove this arm or this gun here for you to make this thing hold the big rifle. So oopsie, that's the problem here. This is a bit loose and you need to reinsert the cable wire. Okay. So the cable wire is very difficult to reinsert. Anyway, I need to have him hold there. So actually this handle here is really loose that I need to super glue it to stay on that hinge there. Supposed to be this one is rolling out, but no, not anymore, since I already put super glue there. So there he can hold it like that, thanks to the support from that hinges here. So there we go, can hold the gun just like that. Okay, and there can shoot this very long rifle or cannon. And there we go, we got this extra handle there, so it's not that opening well. I'm afraid that I might break this because I don't like playing this, to be honest. Anyway, just leave it like that. Okay. So the gun, by the way, the gun can be stored at the back, but there's a problem with the connection here because this is a bit problematic and loose at the same time. You know, it cannot hold the gun there. Very bad, too bad. So it's only for this gunner wizard pack, just like that. So nothing much about this kit. The only difference is the color. So the Articulation is also the same with the previous one that I built, which is the Izak Joel slash Zaku. The armor are all the same except of course for the shoulder armor and for the gunner wizard pack here, and that one got the slash wizard pack. So thank you so much for watching this unboxed review of the gunner Zaku from Lunamaria Hawk. And if you find this kit very interesting and very beautiful, you can buy it at Shopee, where I will put the link for the affiliate program. So see you next time. This is Gamerman from Gamerman Gundam Studio saying goodnight. God bless. Take care.